Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original Studios. And today I thought, we're at the Wisconsin Dells and we decided to stay at the Glacier Ridge Resort. Now that is an all condo resort and it is attached to the wilderness. Now there's also a conference center, and what we like about this space is that they have 1 and 2 and even larger size condos where you have a full kitchen, washer and dryer, etc. Now that is the check-in, and this is the main lobby area for check-in. And you can see there's Canyon Ridge. And so for our hotel, we're in, go ahead and just go in here. Here we go. So when you first walk in, there's a bathroom right away, and then you look straight in. There's a full kitchen to the left and straight into some windows. So let's just take that tour. So the first thing we've got is a separate bathroom. Now there's no extra shower in this one, it's just a bathroom. So there's obviously commode and then location to start getting ready. To the right, we have got the first bedroom, which my kids loved. It is a pair of bunk beds, and so you've got an upper and a lower. And this is so funny. Now, when you stay at the condos, you do have to put your room key into a slot on the wall if you want the power and electricity to work. I didn't realize that this room had that until a little bit later, so I apologize that room was dark. Now, we do love having a full kitchen when we go to the Wisconsin Dells because then we can go to the Walmart nearby, pick up groceries, we can stock everything, and then we can prepare breakfast, lunch, or dinner depending on what we're doing. Most of the time we find ourselves doing breakfast at the hotel, and then we'll do dinner because lunch we like to kind of be out and about. But with it being a condo, it does come with everything. Oh, there I am. Hello. Full stove, sink, dishwasher, the whole bit. Really nice counter space. I love to set my computer up there so I can edit videos. I can actually work on stuff right here. Fun little dining room table. And then there's a Murphy bed right there, which I love those. Those are the ones where they pop out of the wall. And our view was of this water park, and it's a dinosaur theme, but it's only open, obviously, because of Wisconsin weather, from Memorial Day to Labor Day. Full fireplace, TV, and then again that Murphy bed and living room. And then if you just decide you want to use the Murphy bed, you can slide it down, and there is a curtain that comes across. There is a king-size bed in this room, fan. And there was also a screen, which was nice because we were having unseasonably warm weather. So we actually got to enjoy that and open it up in November, which was amazing. Main bathroom, which is between the 2 bedrooms, so between the bunk beds and the king size, there's this full bathroom. Obviously commode, full shower, and then sink to get ready. Super nice accommodations. One of the things that we have learned is that with kids, we really enjoy having that extra space. It gives them some time to kind of have their own quiet time. One thing that was a little disappointing was that there was no washer and dryer in the unit. Every time we've stayed in a condo at the Wilderness, there's always been a washer and dryer, but I didn't realize that this one does not have it. The other thing about this area is that it is right over by the convention center, which is where they do a lot of weddings and events. So if you were there on a weekend night, please know that you could have wedding peoples trickling in all times of the night. So just a warning. Super nice though, really enjoyed the accommodations. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tour of our condo. Again, this one was a 2-bedroom. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. I will be adding more content very soon.